Good morning.
Hi, good morning. Can I have the interpreter?
Can you have an interpreter? Yeah, you just asked me to have an interpreter. You speak better than the interpreter.
For real? Thank you.
While we're getting her, this is summons number 993 and then 768. 993 is on Pleasant Valley Parkway and Valley Street on February 29th, 2016. Take a look. The light is yellow, it's red, and there you go. There's no question about that.
If
Oh,
that
wait a
wasn't
minute,
me-
we're going to see the other one. The other is on Branch and Charles, which is 768. The light is yellow,
Mira.
it's red, and there you go. Lights, please. We just showed Ms. Guerrero two red light violations, both of which it's abundantly clear that she went through the light. She also has a parking ticket on George Street that she paid. So I'm going to dismiss the parking ticket. Ask her if there's anything she wants to tell me about the red lights.
Te quitó el ticket de parqueo porque tú lo pagaste, so te quitó lo que tú debías y le quiere saber si quieres decirle algo acerca de las dos luces rojas.
El de la branch fue mi novio y él lo pagó ya. Y el de la Valley fue mi hija, que por eso yo vine, porque no estoy trabajando y no lo...
The one on Branch Avenue, she said it was her boyfriend and she said she paid. He paid.
No, you didn't
He
pay
paid
it.
them. No, no lo pagó.
No ha llegado el pago.
There was 10 of them,
He's-
Judge. Might have paid the other 8.
He sent the money through the mail. Yesterday. He sent it yesterday. And the other one was her daughter.
Which one did which ticket did her boyfriend pay for? Does she know, was it Branch Avenue or was it?
The one on Branch Avenue.
All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave that open.
So, él va a dejar ese abierto hasta que llegue el pago.
I'm going to charge her $85 for the one her daughter went through the light.
Y te va a cobrar el de tu hija por 85.
And the one that her boyfriend went through, I'm going to leave that open
She said that
until we get the check. And if we don't get the check, she's coming back.
she said that she's not working right now and she wants to know if you can reduce the other one for
I'm going
her.
to put her on a payment plan.
Te van a ponerle un plan de pago entonces.
Actually, how old is her daughter?
¿Qué edad tiene tu hija?
20 años.
She's 20.
20. Well, her daughter can pay for it.
Que tu hija puede pagarlo.
Es que ella ahora fue que empezó a trabajar.
She just started working.
Yeah. She's got a bad attitude. I can see the look on her face. Yeah, she can't do it. It's $85. The boyfriend's ticket, Lisa, I have open here. Don't dispose of that ticket where I have open, because she said her boyfriend sent the check in yesterday. Don't hold your breath waiting for that check. All right? All right, it's $85.
Okay.
The other ticket is open.
85 y si quieres te damos tiempo para que lo pague.
Mr. Williams, you have one parking ticket. You also have a red light. You want to see the red light?
Yeah, I got a proof for that, but
All
I
right,
like
just,
my-
we're gonna look at it, okay?
Okay.
All right. This is summons number 164-096-27137. Charges the motorist for going through a red light on Pleasant Valley Parkway and Valley Street on February 21st, 2016, at 4 o'clock in the morning. Let's take a look. You indicate you stopped, right?
Yeah, I stopped and make a slide
All
right
right.
turn. That's what I did. And the sunset,
Okay, the light is red.
yep, it's right there.
Here you come.
I did stop.
Here you come.
There you go, and then take a slide
Yeah.
right turn.
Yep.
That's what I did.
Yep. I didn't see you stop, but where's the sign, Inspector Quinn? The light is red, here he comes.
I did stop. You can see my brake lights on right now, and you can see me doing
Right,
that.
if the court was to accept that explanation that he stopped, which I would probably argue against, this right here, you're on the back of the Coca-Cola company, would be where the right-hand turn would be allowed.
Right,
But
This is
that's-
the second right, it goes up to, I think that's Long Street there.
yep, okay.
I got a picture that,
What- All right, first of all, you didn't stop. All right, first of all, you didn't, run this again. I don't insult my intelligence, I
you
just
can
stopped.
see my brake light keep
Just,
on.
just,
That's what
just,
I did.
just
Watch the
look,
video.
just look, all right, just watch it.
See that?
Just watch it, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Slow down.
That's what it did. I put my foot on the
You
brakes. That's
slowed
what it
down,
did.
you didn't stop.
All right, lights, please, lights. You didn't even come close to stopping. You tapped the brakes. You tapped the brakes because you had to make a turn. You tapped the brakes, they went on, right, fraction of a second. You didn't stop. Right? That's not the issue. Inspector Quinn, is there a sign that says no right turn?
Yes, Your Honor, I can try to locate that on this photo.
The sign's in the back, though.
You're going to have to keep quiet,
Okay, I'm sorry.
so I can make a rational decision.
I'm sorry,
I'm
sir.
going to make a rational decision
I'm sorry.
despite you interrupting me.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not gonna do it anymore.
It's located right here, Your Honor, but it's not on the screen.
All right, it's been my policy that right turns are usually allowed in the absence of a sign that's visible in the video. I cannot assume that there's a sign there. And I don't see, put the lights on, please. I cannot assume that there's a sign there. So I'm going to take all of those factors into consideration. That there wasn't a sign saying you can't make a right turn. There should be better signage at that intersection anyway. There are two right turns.
Yep.
And I think it's incumbent upon the city to make it clear which one you can make a right turn and which one you can't.
Okay.
Or if you can make a right turn at all. So that's going to be dismissed.
Okay.
It's going to cost you $35 for the parking ticket.
Okay.
Donna. Good morning, Your Honor. Susanna Cotter for Donna Andrews.
Ms. Andrews is charged with disorderly conduct.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, my perusal of her file indicates that she has had no prior police
prior.
contact. But, Ms. Andrews, it appears as though you had a bad day. You haven't had any,
They tried to attack me.
I beg your pardon?
My own friends tried to attack me, and I did the best I could to defend myself.
All right. Let me tell you what the police say, okay? Police were called to the scene because there was an argument going on between you and a friend of yours, another female. And it appears as though just escalated to something beyond being friends. So police tried to get you two to stop the arguing and disturbing the peace, and your friend obeyed and just left, but you would not, and you then began screaming at your friend, calling her, I'm ready to kill one of these, I'll blow their heads off, I'll take their heads off once the police leave. So your behavior was so disruptive to the point where several neighbors woke up and stood outside of their houses, unable to sleep because of your behavior. Traffic was backed up all because of this, and according to the police report, you refused to calm down. Police several times tried to defuse the situation, but you would not do that. Now, police spoke with the other female who stated that she was a friend of yours and that you stopped by her residence to hang out and have a few drinks, but after a few drinks, according to the report, your friend stated that you became engaged in an argument over a common male interest in there. So this is the triangle, it's always the triangle. So that's what the police report says.
Your Honor,
Okay.
they attacked
Now, wait a minute, you have an attorney. You want to allow her to talk?
She's lying. She attacked me. And when the cops showed up, she pretended like everything was okay. And I was still upset about it. That's why I was still going on about it. Because when the cops show up, of course, you're going to pretend like nothing ever happened, right? And that's what she did. But she attacked me. And I did the best I could to defend myself.
All right, well, let me ask,
Unfortunate.
I'm going to ask you one question. I want you to tell me the truth, okay?
Absolutely.
Okay. How many drinks did you have? 5?
A lot.
More than 5?
But I wouldn't call it disorderly conduct.
I know. Just,
She attacked me when I was in my vehicle. I left my car driving because she attacked me.
all right, now, here's what I want you to know. Get back over there. Get over there. Listen to me. We're not here to hurt you, okay? Your friend is still your friend. She didn't try, well, I'm just telling you from what I'm reading in the report. She was not insisting that you get arrested. As a matter of fact, she tried to talk the police out of arresting you, okay? So she wasn't trying to hurt you. But you, according to the police made the decision that your conduct was so disruptive that they arrested you. So don't have ill feelings toward your friend. She's still your friend.
She attacked me.
I understand that, but you got to work that out on another deal.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, just listen. Now, you haven't had any problems with the law in the past. This is your first episode with the law. Now, I know when people have a few drinks, they say and do things that ordinarily they would not do when they're sober.
Nobody should. I understand what he's saying, but nobody should ever put hands on anyone. No one should never do that.
If I were you, I would calm down, okay? This only happened last night. You know, think about it. Don't bring it to another level because funny things happen, you know, when you get carried away, okay?
Yes.
She was your friend. I think she's still your friend. I know you feel like your friendship has been betrayed, but work it out. So now you're represented by counsel, and she's excellent counsel. So, counsel, are you going to make a recommendation in this matter?
Your Honor, the offer from the city was no low time served. My only issue with that is my client has no record currently, and time served would be technically a criminal conviction for her. And I was hoping we could resolve this. She has no trouble. She works. She's a CNA, a home health care worker. She had a bad night. I was hoping we resolve this without giving her any sort of a record in this court.
Okay. Inspector Quinn?
Your Honor, we can set it down for a filing, and she can file for the motion for expungement. I'll do a month filing or whatever, but
have no
in order
objection.
with the time served, she could still file for the expungement, Your Honor, because the matter will be dismissed.
All right. I've had an opportunity to read the report. I think it's an isolated incident in your life. I don't think you're going to be back. All right. So I'm going to take the advice, the recommendation, rather, of your counsel, Sue Carter, and of Inspector Quinn. All right. I'm going to plead you nolo. I'm going to release you on time served, which means there will be no further punishment for this. And you can speak to your counsel about getting that expunged